Simula ito na I think magkasama dun si Randy, di ko alam sino Randy at saka si Nelson na galing sila kay chairman, sabi tumuloy sa akin at sinabi doon, Kong, tuloy na yung golf natin. Diba? Na yearly ginagawa natin yung golf na yan with media and all this. Sabi ko, sige, and I started drawing up the format. No? Initially when I did that. So immediately after that, binigay ko kay chairman. When chairman saw this, ang kanya agad sabi, no, we will not do a invitational lang. We will make it even bigger. We will make it a fundraising event for our Olympians. Kaya napakaganda ng idea at ano ni chairman. Kasi instead na atin lang PR with PSC, naging fundraising na nga siya for our Olympians, which is what it is now. No? So lumaki na lumaki. Sabi, we will get sponsors, we will get lahat. So the details of which, yun nga, it's going to be held in Canlubang, it's going to be on Friday, and it is not just going to be between PSC and media friends natin. Lahat, mga sponsors, major supporters, shareholders, celebrities, yan ho ang ating mga ano. So we are not just confined to our relationship with you media people, golfers and all, pero talagang lahat that are involved in sports. Kaya napakaganda nitong event na to.